Hello everyone, we are the students of Granada World School. So this is our project Rain Half-I TDS calculator. It not only helps us to collect or save the rainwater but also helps in the purification. Even we can check the TDS and turbidity of the collected water. This is a rain sensor which is connected to this LCD display which displays the amount of rain as well as the TDS of the water. When the rain falls on this rain sensor, this umbrella-like structure opens and the rainwater that falls on the ground is preserved and is collected in this storage tank. Then this water is passed through this filtration unit which get filtered through the natural processes. This water is then stored in this filtered water tank where you can check the TDS and the turbidity of this water. We have used a Bluetooth module here that can be connected to our smartphones. So there is no need to go outside for checking your TDS of the water. That can be directly checked on our smartphones. So it reduces our dependency on others for checking the TDS of our water.
So as we know that rainwater harvesting is very common, but what makes our project unique, as Bhavi said, is that this unit. So we can check the quality of our water that we are drinking on our smartphones within the convenience of our homes. So another thing that makes a project unique is that when usually the water that is falling on the rooftop, it's conserved, but the water that falls on the ground, that is usually not conserved. So as this rain sensor would sense rain, this servo motor would rotate 180 degrees and it would this structure made by a 3D printer would open up like an umbrella. It would collect the water. So the water that's falling on the ground can also be collected. And moreover, this is the display of our project and this is the final product. Our purpose while making this project was that everyone should have a portable device which they can use anytime to check the quality of their water.
It can be used in any residential areas, for industrial purposes, for agriculture and watering for plants, and state and local parks.
Thank you.